Let us study about construction of quadrilateral. In this chapter, we want to study about different types of quadrilateral and their construction. Here, consider a triangle. How many measures are required? So we can use first one. If three sides are given, we can construct a triangle. Or if two sides and one included angle also given, we can construct triangle and two angles and included side. And if it is a right angle, that means a right angle hypotenuse in any one side, it is given, we can construct triangle. So how we can construct a quadrilateral? So consider a quadrilateral. Let it be A, B, C, D. Then three measures are required to construct a triangle. Then how many measures are required to construct a quadrilateral? That means unique quadrilateral. There are 5 measures. First one, if 4 sides and 1 diagonal. If it is given, we can construct a quadrilateral. Second one, 3 sides and 2 diagonals. So in this video, I am going to show you these two methods. That means construction of quadrilateral using these two. So let us start. Construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ 5 cm, QR 4.5 cm, PS is 6 cm, R is equal to 5.5 cm and PR is 6.5 cm. First we want to draw a rough figure. Let us draw a rough figure where PQRS. What is the measure of PQ? That is 5 cm, QR is 4.5 cm, PS is 6 cm and RS is 5.5 cm and PR, the diagonal PR is 6.5 cm. Here first we want to construct this triangle PQR. Then after that we want to construct with the measures of PR, SR and SP. Then after that we will get the quadrilateral PQRS. Here first we want to take PQ 5 cm. So here 5 cm. So from 5, so this is PQ. Then we want to name it as PQ. Then after that we want to take the compass and measure 6.5. 6.5. So from 4, 6.5 means 10 point. So here I want to take this measure. So from P I draw 6.5 arc. That means an arc of radius 6.5 cm. Then from Q I want to take 4.5 cm. For that, from the scale take 4.5. So here it is 4.5. Then from Q take 4.5. So that two arcs touches at a point. Then join that point with a P and that point with a Q. Then after that I want to take the 6 cm length from P. Again take the compass and 6 centimeter. So from 3 I want to take 6 centimeter means it will shows, that means from 3 to 9. So here from P draw an arc. Then from this point, this is representing the point R. From R I want to take 5.5 centimeter. So from 4 5.5 means it is 9.5. So here 9.5. Then these two arcs again meet at a point. Then join that point with a P and that point with the first point that we already constructed using compass. So this is the required PQRS. First all of you draw a rough figure, then only with the given measure we want to construct the quadrilateral. Here first I want to take 6 centimeter in the scale. So it is 6 centimeter. So 4 to 10. It is 6 centimeter. Then name it as PQ. Then using compass take 6.5 centimeter from P. So 6.5. So it is 6.5 showing. Then from P draw an arc 6.5. Then from Q I want to take 8.5 centimeter. So from Q 8.5. So again, so it shows 8.5. So from Q draw an arc showing 8.5. Then join that 2 with this point. That means P and Q. So this is the point S. Then which is the next one? We want to construct PQR. So already we take PQ. Then from P we want to take 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter from the scale. Then from P take 8 centimeter and the compass and draw one arc. From Q I want to take 7 centimeter. So it is 7. Then draw another arc. Then join that point with the P and Q. Then join these 2 points. Then we got the required quadrilateral PQRS. So this is the way we want to construct a quadrilateral with given measures, that means 3 sides and 2 diagonals.